Kimpex. What's in the box? Have to figure out how to get rid of these. I just split the box open like a clamshell, so hopefully I don't have to return it. See if that thing will fit in this thing. Yada yada. Holy shit handles. Gas can thingy. Hardware. Instructions. Let's do this. Manuel de instruction. It's starting to snow or rain or something. It's about 0 degrees out here and it's cold and it's getting dark. Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. This is my 2023 Honda Rancher 420 4x4, and I'm installing this Kimpex Nomad ATV trunk and back seat, passenger seat. This is where I'm at. I got the bottom half cinched down. Step one is actually to assemble it, but I decided I'd cinch down the bottom half first, because it's a little easier to access stuff here without the top on it, I would imagine. So on the Honda here, if you have a Honda and the same chassis as the Rubicon or the Foreman, so first what I did was I aligned these drain holes there with one of these plates, and I thought that would be great, but I ended up having to rotate it. But anyway, in that corner right there is like the perfect spot to align with the rack. So that's where I started. I started with the factory drain hole, and then I ended up rotating it. I marked these two positions, then ended up rotating it. So that worked out there. And on the rear, these ribs, if you locate it right there, over that final rib underneath here, that's your rack. So everything seemed to line up good there. You get 2 U-bolts for each side. So I got this side done like that. You get the other side done the same. Excuse my mess. This is the same on this side. That allows you to adjust it a little bit. The newer style has these square auto locks or quick disconnects, whatever. So you can go a little bit before you hit that. So that gives you a little bit of adjustment there. And I tried to set it back as far as I could, but as well as centering it like on the rack where it comes down. So all the weight, if there's any weight in there or anything, it's on the rack, on the frame, on the chassis. So that's where I'm at. And then I started putting these back bolts in here, and it says leave everything loose. So then I'm putting these ones in this way, and they're gonna go into the backrest. So I got to get the backrest and put that on next.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
What do you think, Allie? Thumbs up? Honda Rancher 420 Foreman winch mount.